Did you know that animated slides can boost audience engagement by over 65% compared to static slides? Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn step by step how to design a sleek, modern animated slide in PowerPoint, perfect for presentation that stand out and actually hold attention. First, click on Picture, insert picture from this device. Right-click on the picture and select Cut option. Then, right-click on the slide, go to Format Background, choose Picture or Texture Fill, and insert picture from clipboard. Your image is now set as the background. Insert a rectangle shape and drag it across the slide. Set Shape Outline to No Outline. Choose Gradient Fill. Adjust the gradient top and transparency as needed. And change the direction to match your visual style. Insert a text box and type A here. Change the font color. Center your content. Choose a modern font and increase the font size. Use Align Middle from the Shape Format tab to perfectly position it. Insert an oval shape and place it on the slide. Right-click and duplicate the slide. On the second slide, select the text box and oval shape. Go to Shape Format, choose Merge Shape and select Union. Increase its size and align middle for balance. Right-click the second slide, duplicate it. On this third slide, delete the merge object. Move the rectangle shape to the left side. On this third slide, add Australia or any desired information on the right side. Select this and click on Slide Background Fill to blend it seamlessly. Duplicate the slide again. Delete any unnecessary object. Go back to the first slide. Copy the elements and paste them on the fourth slide. Replace A with B and repeat the same animation step as slide 3. Make 2 more slides using C and D. Select the 3 slides. Go to Transition. Apply Push Transition. On the third slide, apply the Morph transition for a dynamic animation. Go to the second slide, click on Slideshow, and watch your modern animated PowerPoint slide come to life with smooth cinematic transition. And that's it. How you create a modern animated PowerPoint slide using simple design technique, shape merging, and smooth transition. These tips not only make your slide look better but also help you communicate more effectively. If you enjoy this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos for more PowerPoint design tips. Drop a comment below to let me know which part you like most. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.